Is YouTube TV 4K? Let's clarify. No, YouTube TV does not currently offer 4K resolution for its live TV streams. The service streams content at up to 1080p HD, which is standard for most live TV streaming platforms. While this resolution is sufficient for most viewers, it may not satisfy those looking for ultra-high definition 4K content. That said, some on-demand content from YouTube outside of the YouTube TV subscription may be available in 4K if uploaded by creators and viewed through a separate YouTube Premium subscription. However, this is not part of the YouTube TV package. If 4K is a priority, you might consider services like Netflix, Disney+, or Amazon Prime Video, which offer 4K streaming for on-demand content. For live TV, options are still limited, but platforms like Fubo TV are starting to experiment with 4K streams for select events. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.